discussed some points which are important to be kept in mind while making précis. We have already discussed 4 points. In the first point, we have to read the original passage carefully so that we can have the general idea of the passage. In the second point, we will decide the title of the précis, title of the précis on the basis of the reading of the passage in the first point. Then in the third point, we will do the second reading of the passage. While we are doing second reading, we have to underline the important points only important lines. In the first reading, we have the general idea of the passage. In the third point, when we are reading the passage for the second time, then we will underline only the main points. We will leave all the examples. So once you have underlined the main points, now comes the turn of précis writing. Fourth point is write the précis. What will you do? You will count the number of words in the original passage. When you count the number of words in the original passage, you will come to know how much précis you have to write. If 150 words are there, it means it is clear you have to write the précis in about 50 words. So these are the 4 points. Children, now we are going to start writing the précis. This is fifth point. And before I précis, please keep one point in mind. I am writing all those points on the board also. The most important point when you are writing the précis is that please don't write it in direct speech. The passage can be in a direct speech also. Some lines can be in direct speech. But when you are writing the précis, never the words. We will never write the précis in direct speech. We always write the précis in indirect speech. So this is the main important point when we start writing the précis. This is the fifth point. So the fifth point is précis should be written. Précis should be written in indirect speech. It should be written in indirect speech. It should be in the third person pronoun. It should be in the third person pronoun. Third person pronoun, you all know, right? We use he or she, it, they, but we never use in this. Then the next point is tense. The tense, the same tense should be used throughout the précis. If you are writing in present, précis should be in present tense. If you are using past, then it should be in past tense only, the whole précis. This is next important point. It should be in same tense in which the original passage is given. If this is given in past tense, the précis will be in past. This is the next, the sixth point. I have already told, we will write it again. I have already told you in the beginning also, whenever you are making the précis, you have to find out the main points. Your own comment in the précis, because if you give your own comment précis, the length is, then what will happen? The main ideas will be left. Your ideas will take the place of main ideas. So I was using your own comments. Suppose the passage is about unemployment and it is telling us some ways to tackle unemployment. This does not mean you will add your points to tackle. You have to write those points only writer is mentioning. So avoid, this is the next point, avoid using comment on. Avoid comments of your own. Eighth point also, I have already told you that whenever you are writing the précis, the length of the précis should be 1/3. So never exceed the word limit. If you are supposed to write the précis in 50 words, 52, 55, 57, maximum 50, maximum 60 words should be there, not more than that. So this is the eighth point. Avoid exceeding the prescribed word limit. What is the prescribed word limit? 1/3 of the original passage. This is the eighth point. So never exceed the word limit. Some people are in the habit of using idioms. They are in the habit of using phrases of their own. This thing also should be avoided, because when you are using the idioms, to understand the idioms you have to give the explanation. If you give the explanation, obviously what will happen? The length of précis will increase. The important points will be left. So that's why this is the next point. Avoid using idioms and phrases. Avoid using idioms and phrases. Last point is about the title. Sometimes a person may choose the whole line as the title of the passage, right? Please avoid using this thing. Whenever you are giving any title to the précis, it should be of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, right? But it should not have a long line. Long line should not be the title of the passage. This is the next point. Avoid giving a long title to the précis. It should have 3 to 6 words only. It should 3 to 6 words only, not more than that. Children, this is all about précis writing. I have already told you the meaning of précis. What is précis? To precise something, to summarize something, to give the gist of something, to give the gist of paragraph or a passage. And we have also discussed the main points which should be kept in mind while making précis. Whenever you are making précis, you have to give 2 readings to the précis, to the original paragraph. In the first reading, you have to see what is the general idea of the passage, what is the writer talking about. And when you are doing the reading for the second time, then you will underline the main important points which are being discussed by the writer, and which are also related to the title of the passage. Then you start writing the précis. You have to keep all these things in your mind. It should be in indirect speech. It should be in third person narrative. It should be in the same tense in which the original passage is given. Don't give your own comments. Avoid exceeding the prescribed word length, that is 1/3 of the original passage. Avoid using idioms, phrases, or any proverbs of your own. Avoid giving a long title to the précis. If you follow all these things, you will find out that you are able to produce the best précis. Children, I am telling you again, don't just take any 3-4 lines randomly from the passage and write in précis writing. Many people do this thing, and in doing this thing, they sometimes pick up the examples also. This is not précis writing. In précis writing also, you need a lot of smartness. First of all, underline the main points, then write those main points in your own words. That will be the best précis. In précis writing, you can get full marks, 5 out of 5. But usually the children get 2.5, 3, maximum 3.5 marks. The reason being that they use the same lines of the given passage. Of course, the lines will be almost same, but that doesn't mean that you are using the exact words which are given in the passage. You should replace those words with some other words or easier words which can show the main point in simple language. I hope this much concept is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shweta, now you stop the write the paragraph on the whiteboard. Then we will see. Then we will apply all these rules on the précis. Let's see. This now Shweta, start recording the video. Can you hear me, Shweta?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you started recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, children, we have already discussed the definition of précis. We have also discussed the main points to be kept in mind while making a précis. Now, I have written one question on the board. The question is, make a précis of the following passage. This is the passage. Now, we have done 10 rules. Now, we will apply those 10 rules on this passage. What is the first point? The first point is we have to read the passage carefully to have the overall idea of the passage. Now let's read the passage. Trees are useful to man in many ways. They provide him with wood and other products. They give him shade and help him to prevent drought and floods.
Sir, the meeting will end in 10 minutes.
Okay, don't worry. They give him shade. They give him shade and help him to prevent drought and floods. Unfortunately, in many parts of the world, man has realized that the third of these services most important. In his eagerness to draw quick profit, he has cut down the trees in large number only to find that with them, he has lost his best friends he had. Even where a government realizes the importance of a plentiful supply of trees, it is difficult for it to persuade the villagers to see this. The villager wants wood to cook his food with, and he can earn money by making charcoal or selling wood to the townsmen. He is too lazy or too careless to plant and look after new trees. Unless the government has a good system of control, the forests will slowly disappear. Children, paragraph. We have done the first point. What is the first point? Read the passage carefully to have the overall idea. It's very much clear that the passage is about the importance of trees, isn't it? The writer is talking about trees only and the importance of trees. So very clearly we can say now the second point. What is the second point? Choose the title of the passage. Can you choose the title of the passage?
Yes, sir.
It's very simple. Importance of trees. The title is Importance of Trees. This is the second point. Now the third point, we will read the passage again. This time what will we do? We will underline the main important points also. Trees are useful to man in many ways. This is first important point. Why they are important? Because they provide us wood and other products. They give him shade and help him to provide drought and floods. This is second point. They provide him wood and other products. They provide him shade, and this is the first important point. Unfortunately, in many parts of the world, man has realized that the third of these services is the most important. Children, if you look at this point, this is just the explanation of the third point. So this point is not important. So leave this point. In his eagerness to draw quick profit, Now it is important. He has cut down the trees in large number, right? Why he has cut down the trees in large number? For his benefit, but he has lost his best friend he had. Now, what is the main point here? He has cut down so many trees. Now, the third main point, first main point is that trees give us many benefits. These are the benefits: wood products, other products, shade, and they prevent us from drought and floods. This is first point. Second point is man has cut down so many trees for his selfish benefit. Then the third point. The third main point is government. Government realizes the importance, right, of plentiful supply of trees, but it is difficult. Okay, this is the next point. Then it is difficult for it to persuade the villagers to see this. Now it is not important. The villager wants wood to cook his food with, and he can earn money uh, by making charcoal or selling wood to the townsmen. Children, in this he is telling why we have already that man is cutting trees for his selfish purpose. I have already told you. So all these points are not important. What is the main important point? That man is too lazy or too careless to plant and look after new trees, right? So what is the solution? Solution is the slowly look at these important points, isn't it? I have left so many unimportant things. Uh, now, now comes the fourth point. Now you can easily change this into précis. Now the fourth point is you have to count the number of words. The passage has got 108 words. 108 words précis in approximately 52 or 53 words. I hope these 4 points are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
We have
sir.
read the passage, have the general idea. The passage is about trees. Then the second point is we have given the title to the passage, importance of trees. Then in the third point, we have underlined points. In the fourth point, we have are there. Now, I hope this thing is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Can we write the précis now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the title? Children, now I am writing the answer. Importance of trees. I am going to write the same points which we have underlined, but in our own language. What is the first point? Trees are very beneficial. Very beneficial to us. They provide us. What do they provide us? They provide us food,
Food, wood, and so many
right? Shade, and prevent
drought.
droughts and floods. Now we have written such a long sentence in simple language. Man has cut down many trees to fulfill his selfish motives. His selfish motives. Now comes the role of government. Now comes the role of government. Government knows the importance of trees. But it is not able to convince the people to do the needful. It has to make good policies. It means government. It good policies to save trees. Children, this is the answer. 155 words, okay, and 58 words and 55 words are there in the précis. In the passage, 155 words, in précis, 55 words. This is the perfect précis. Shweta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. And
Hello.
less than 1 minute is left.
Okay, don't worry, our topic is finished.
Yes.
So children, this is the answer. In this answer, we have written it in third person.